Hey guys, welcome back to the Collector Car Network. My name is Luke. I really want to share with you this insanely cool 1994 Land Rover Defender 110. We're still here at the Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale Auction. A lot of cool cars, but for this video, we're going to do a quick little history, a walk around, and we're also going to check out the interior. The Defender's story began in 1948 with the launch of the Series 1. It was designed as a rugged utility vehicle for farming and even some off-road use. The Defender name wasn't officially introduced though until 1990. But by 1994, the Defender 110, which was a reference to its 110-inch wheelbase, had established itself as a go-to vehicle for adventurers, even for military use, and also just going out on remote expeditions. As you take a peek under the hood, you'll notice it does look a little bit different than it did back in the day. Well, that's because this thing is now powered by a General Motors LS3 Gen 4 small block V8. So this thing is going to push out 430 horsepower. It's paired with a TREMEC 5-speed manual transmission, and I gotta say, this powertrain definitely delivers a driving experience that is far removed from that sluggish 2.5-liter diesel engine that originally came in many of these Defenders. Even though they were pretty reliable, still the power was lacking. This drivetrain has also been overhauled to match the engine's new performance. Tom Woods drive shafts, aftermarket differentials, new brakes, new cables, and of course, a new radiator. You'll also notice the aluminum camper shell up on top with a pop top, retractable awning, and a side panel that extends out, giving you even more room inside. It's also got solar panels, a generator, and this thing was even designed with enough space to get Starlink on this thing. Pretty cool stuff. Underneath, we can see those beefy, solid axles. Now, solid axle vehicles, they provide better articulation compared to an independent suspension, arguably. They're also more durable, they can conquer uneven terrain pretty easy, and for overlanders and off-road enthusiasts, it's a huge selling point. Just really make sure you're not gonna be stuck anywhere you don't wanna be. You've got some extra strength. Now it has a 2-inch terra firma lift and old emu shocks all around, all sitting happily above 16-inch Mach 5 wheels with some Toyo mud terrains. Inside, this camper section features teak flooring, inward-facing seats upholstered in a leather and faux suede, which looks really pretty. You get a roll-out panel that converts the interior into a full-size bed, and the pop-top roof provides greater headroom and ventilation so you can move around, you can work, and sleep pretty comfortably. Up front, there's Corbeau sport seats, bespoke leather center console, and a custom Speed Hut gauge cluster. Standard Defenders of this area were pretty simple. Bare metal floors, basic vinyl seats, and minimal creature comforts. This Defender's utilitarian roots are still here, yet it feels way more nice and way more with the times. Going on adventures just got a lot more comfortable. Now guys, I would love to hear your thoughts on this build down below in the comments. Is there anything that you would want to add on this, or maybe anything you want to take away? I would love to hear it down below in the comments. Remember, if you're in the market for a collector vehicle like this, or maybe American Muscle, go on over to classiccars.com. That's our online marketplace with over 38,000 listings live on the site. Also be sure to check out AutoHunter, and that's going to be our 7-day online auction. That's it for me. We'll see y'all at the next video.